कर दे, लेट निकल। गुड।
अरे प्रमोद जोश है
अर्ज़ ये दीवाने की जहां
Once a cadet, always a cadet.
पूरे भारत को जय हिंद। दिस इज सर्जन शिवाशिष 11th ओडिशा बटालियन युवोदय कॉलेज एनसीसी। आज 24 नवंबर है और आज एनसीसी डे है।
आगे एक कदम आगे।
तोलाड़ा बाहो आगाड़ा रे सुई आउची।
welcoming our guest Havaldar Karan Lama sir from 11 Odisha Battalion, welcoming our principal sir of Yuvodaya College from BSc stream Dr. Subrat Kumar Mahanti sir, welcoming our ANO sir Lieutenant Manas Ranjan Babu sir, Court Senior ANO of 11 Odisha Battalion Odisha, and my fellow cadets. National Cadet Corps, it is the largest uniform youth organization in the world. The NCC Day was held on 4th Sunday of November. NCC was formed on 15 July 1948. The NCC Day is observed through our country. The first Prime Minister of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, presided over the function of raising the first NCC unit at Delhi on the last Sunday of November 1948. This day is traditionally as the NCC Day. NCC would be celebrating its 76th anniversary on November 24th, 2024. The NCC Rising Day was also celebrated all over India with cadets participating in the blood donation camp and social development program. The main aim of National Cadet Corps is to grow the youth of country into disciplined, responsible and patriotic citizens. The NCC was also known as second line of defense. So, the Rising Day is celebrated with great joy and enthusiasm. Now I would like to request our ANO sir and Court Senior ANO of 11 Odisha Battalion NCC share their words on significance of NCC.
And only a few things I would like to say. While walking away with Principal Sir, we were talking about discussing about few things, and what he was saying that nowadays what is happening mostly students, young people like you, they are not very disciplined. The way they should walk, the way they should talk, that is not happening these days. Now we don't really know what is happening and who is responsible for that, but I know one thing, what can be done here. We should go for some organizations or some training programs like this that can be done to make ourselves correct or make our students correct, because this is the generation that is going to work in the future. Mostly what I think personally, that you are all going to be in armed forces. Not all of you I can say, but mostly you are here for that, because you are selected on the basis of that you did good in the physicals, you are mentally tough. That is going to work for the future. And personally I don't believe in lot of speeches, and I want all of you to, the way you are training right now, to continue that for a long time, not for these 3 years but many more years to come. Because I was a cadet 2 years in the high schools, 4 years in the SD. I was in PRS school NCC, and I was also in Rajendra University NCC. So I was there for almost 6 to 7 years NCC. I know the value of it, and that has been with me, that has stayed with me for a long time. Still now I feel myself as a cadet. Now this is the tagline of our alumni association, once a cadet, always a cadet. I also right now feel myself as a cadet. Every walk of life, wherever I go, I feel like that. And personally I have known Mahanti sir, Dr. Mahanti sir. So the day I came here, I worked with him, and I know him personally. He is a very fine gentleman. He is very disciplined in his work, and he is also very supportive towards NCC. So this is what I want to say. And one more thing, we should do a lot of physical hard work every single day to make yourself fit and get ready for the future coming. Now, there is one more thing I forgot to say. This is practically, I believe, that whatever that is happening, sometime, for example, some disaster is happening around your locality, you should be present there. No matter what, you should be present there. कोई भी कंडीशन में हो वहाँ पे पहुँचो, देखो क्या चल रहा है वहाँ पे, try to help them, and that's why we have one part of training we also call that training under disaster management. And next Sunday हो सकता है हम उसके ट्रेनिंग के लिए जाएं भी, अगर होगा तो we should go there for. We have already given an application for that. Okay, thank you so much. Jai Hind.
Wish you a happy NCC Foundation Day.
Thank you, sir.
NCC is one of the largest youth organizations in our country that is inculcating a sense of discipline and patriotism in the mind of youth. Okay? And it is also making you battle ready. What I feel so. Today I am very happy to see you actively participating in this training program. Actually, I have never seen you in the ground. Nowadays, when the youth are remaining more busy with mobile, the situation is going to be very horrible. Because for a human being, the holistic growth is very much essential. Holistic growth means what? It is the growth of our body, mind, and also the soul. Nowadays, I don't know what type of growth you are undergoing. And now we can see that our country has economic growth. There is also technological advancement. Research facilities are also increasing very much. Every facility the government is providing up to the level best. But what I feel, there is a sense of lack of discipline in the youth. It is very much essential. A country will grow, it is my feeling, a country will grow if the youth are disciplined. Actually, we don't have physical growth. Just we are reading something. Even in reading also, how much we are perfect, I have a lot of apprehension in my mind. So what I feel, you people, you concentrate on your study, and also you should be focusing on your physical growth. You should have greater endurance so that if situation arises, then we must be capable to fight of our country. And our government is having various components. Either it is executive, legislature or judiciary. All these organs, related to all these organs, we have different impressions in our mind. We have different impression in our mind. Some may like or may not like. But personally, when I see a personnel of the armed forces, either it is Navy, Air Force or what, Navy, Air Force or Army, I feel that only one organization that is working for the betterment and safety of our country is the armed forces. Armed forces. And particularly on behalf of AMG Degree College, we are actively encouraging you to participate in all these programs. But at the same time, you should focus on your study also. You undergo rigorous training so that you will be physically fit. And as I previously said, if situation arises, then we should be ready for sacrifice. And I am happy that sir has come, and very nice program. Again, I wish you a happy NCC Foundation Day. Thank you all. I am very happy and I am very thankful to our sir, guest sir, who has come to participate in this program. I am also thankful to our Manos sir, who is actively taking different steps to train you in different aspects of NCC. And last but not the least, NCC cadets. I am very happy to see you in this dress, particularly in this dress. Your training program or your position, your body posture is very nice to see. And another more duty that you should also encourage your friends that they will also join in this program. Instead of spending more time with mobile, if youth of our country will spend more time in ground, then it will be more useful to us. Thank you all.
Education, vision and passion for education shape the future of our students but also created an environment where we learning and personal growth. Now I would like to request our senior under officer Bhola Shankar Kumar to give a speech on NCC Day.
रेस्पेक्टेड लेफ्टिनेंट सर और प्रिंसिपल सर, एनसीसी डे के लिए हार्दिक शुभेच्छा। आज के दिन नवंबर लास्ट संडे को उसका फाउंडेशन हुआ था। एनसीसी एस्टेब्लिश 16 अप्रैल 1948 को हुआ था।
Standing before you to say something about NCC Day. NCC stands for National Cadet Corps. The aim of NCC is to develop physical, mental and moral development of young boy and girl of the country.
Today we gather here to celebrate National Cadet Corps Day, a day that reflects the spirit of unity, discipline, leadership, patriotism and services nurtured in the hearts of young cadets. This was established on 16 April 1948. Government of India appointed NCC community in 1946 under the chairman by Pandit H.N. Kunjru. The motto of NCC is unity and discipline. Unity represents the brotherhood of all Indian people and discipline represents the foundation of any nation. It is celebrated on the fourth Sunday of the month of November every year. NCC is not just an organization, it is a training ground for character, strength and commitment. It's where young individuals transform into confident leaders ready to face challenges with courage, to create suitable environment for protecting the youth of the country. Through NCC, we learn not just about drills and parades, but about leadership, courage and the importance of teamwork. It teaches us that serving the nation is not just about wearing an uniform, but about wearing our value proudly in everything we do. At last but not the least, let's pledge to uphold the ideals of the NCC, carry forward its legacy and continue serving our nation with pride. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
देश मेरे तेरी शान पे सदके कोई धन है क्या, तेरी धूल से बढ़ के, तेरी धूप से रोशन, तेरी हवा पे जिंदा, तू बाग है मेरा, मैं तेरा परिंदा। है अर्ज़ी ये दीवाने की जहाँ भर सुहानी देखी, एक रोज़ वही मेरी सामों हो। कभी याद करे जो ज़माना, माटी पे मर मिट जाना, जिक्र में शामिल मेरा नाम हो। ओ देश मेरे तेरे शान पे सदके कोई धन है क्या, तेरी धूल से बढ़ के, तेरी धूप से रोशन, तेरी हवा पे जिंदा, तू बाग है मेरा, मैं तेरा परिंदा।
मेरी ज़मीं अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए सौ दर्द सहे, महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा, चाहे जान मेरी रहे न रहे। ऐ मेरी ज़मीं महबूब मेरी, मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क बहे, फीका न पड़े कभी रंग तेरा, जिस मुँह से निकल के खून कहे। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के, मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। मेरी मंज़िल एक है, एक है, ओ एक है, सब भारतीय हैं, हम सब भारतीय हैं, सब भारतीय हैं, हम सब भारतीय हैं। कश्मीर की धरती रानी है, सरताज हिमालय है, सदियों से हमने इसको अपने खून से पाला है। कश्मीर की धरती रानी है, सरताज हिमालय है,
मस्जिद भी है यहाँ, गिरजा का है घड़ियाल कहीं, मुल्ला की कहीं है जा। अपना नाम है, एक ही अल्लाह ताला है, एक ही अल्लाह ताला है। बिरंगे दीपक है हम, लेकिन जगमग एक है, एक है, एक है। हम सब भारतीय हैं, हम सब भारतीय हैं, हम सब भारतीय हैं, हम सब भारतीय हैं।
हाँ सर बोला हाँ फटाफट काट जल्दी किस कट पीस में कर कट पीस में फटाफट कर दे लेट नहीं कर गुड खराब है देखना पापी डी दे दो चुप दे कहाँ ढूंढ जो कट चाबी दे बगा तुम कौन बोले खो तो जाके इतने लगा देख मैं पूछे नहीं हल नहीं है
5 टंकिया के गिनयान
5 ऊपर एक नंबर है तो सारा
ହେଲା ନା ସବେ ପାଇଲା ନା ସବେ ଖାଇ ବସ ସବୁ Sinner, now it's your chance to eat.
बोले ठीक है
नहीं बोला ही मत
सर प्रमोद के दे दूं साफ
नहीं चल प्रमोद
सब नहीं
एकला
ओ बंधु हां अरे प्रमोद दे जोश है खाना कमी नहीं पूरा जोर जार खाओ हां ये बात क्रीम खा चोको भी खाई जाओ ना पेट पड़ा है जो अरे बाबा
ये लाल कलर
तुम लोग उसको वो किया ना रेड कलर
वाटर बोतल में अच्छा ओलिव ग्रीन बाप रे
गोटे बोतल काफी सर भितरे सेकरटे भी अच्छे साउंड होची
वाह ओलिव ग्रीन
ଭଲ ଦୃଶ୍ୟ
ओहो इथिले पचरथुलु
सर गुड सर
वाओ